Welcome to an overview demonstration of the Enterprise IQ Track and Trace functionality from IQMS. Today, we will see how the Track and Trace functionality can be used as a powerful tool for looking up details regarding shipments, inventory items, sales orders, and expired items. We'll take a look at who should be using this product and what the reasons are for using this over and above the current lot tracking module in Enterprise IQ. The goal of the Track and Trace module is to provide complete visibility regarding supplier lots and serial numbers and tying that information to finished products, including the recipient of said products. Users have the ability to track and trace goods from the raw goods supplier to the end customer, and every production-related step in between. The Track and Trace module provides everything users need in order to meet industry regulations and quality audits. It helps gain greater visibility into the product lifecycle to determine the source of defective parts. These benefits even extend to troubleshooting potential supplier performance issues and can even help proactively predict when defective parts are in a supplier delivery. Who exactly should be using the IQMS Track and Trace functionality? Any individual working in quality or customer service that needs the ability to find information regarding shipments to customers and items shipped against specific orders. The quality department may also use it to look up details about recalls that need to happen and finished goods that were shipped to customers or materials that were used to make a product. Purchasing can use the time-sensitive material function to look up expired items in their system. Lastly, customers can use this as a self-service portal to look at order status and details, including work order and shipment information. Anybody in a highly regulated business that needs access to quick details, such as a lot order and expiring information, would use this Track and Trace tool. It provides quick results and is very similar to the current lot traceability tool from IQMS. It allows users to find and analyze details very quickly within the system. The Track and Trace module was written as a flexible search screen. It was designed with an intuitive user interface that makes navigation extremely straightforward. Track and Trace also allows access to order status information for individuals who don't otherwise have access to CRM or the sales order module within the system. There are 3 different functions within the Track and Trace module: time-sensitive materials, order status, and recall and analysis. The time-sensitive materials function allows users to look up information with regards to WIP or raw inventory items that have expiration dates tied to them. By performing a search on an inventory item, users will be able to see the quantity on hand, as well as its expiration information and location within the plant. The order status function acts as a self-service view for those that typically don't have access to sales order information within the system. Let's take a look at a sales order in the system as an example. By selecting a sales order, a user can view the included line item information, as well as details pertaining to the associated work orders and shipping information. By clicking on the inventory item, users can see work order information and its current location, as well as whether the items have been shipped or not. If they have, shipping information will be available here. If there was an invoice available, I would be able to see the invoice as well. Recall and analysis can be used for looking up information regarding finished goods, raw materials, or WIP products. There are several ways users can access information within the recall and analysis function: by sales order number, purchase order number, packing slip number, serial number, lot number, finished good lot number, and work order number. Let's look at one of the finished good lots as an example. Once a user enters the finished good lot number, the system will return details regarding that finished good lot. As you can see, the system provides a large amount of detail within its search results. You can see that some of the columns of data are hyperlinked. When a user selects one of these, the system will open a new screen with even more detail for the given item. The system has a group by functionality, which allows users to drag and drop to create groups by the detail in user-selected columns. Users can save their custom search, or they can export the details of their search to an Excel spreadsheet. This concludes our demonstration of the Track and Trace module and its functionality. This web-based tool gives users easy access to search specific details regarding order information, finished good, or WIP parts and lot numbers, as well as expiration dates on time-sensitive items in an organization's inventory. Thank you for taking the time to watch an overview demonstration of the Enterprise IQ Track and Trace module. If you would like more information on the products and services from IQMS, please visit IQMS.com.